In a vast green forest filled with tall trees and flowing rivers, lived a large herd of elephants. They walked proudly through the jungle, enjoying the cool shade and fresh air. Not far away, in a small hole near the elephant path, lived a group of tiny mice. Though small, the mice lived happily and peacefully. Every day, the elephants walked along the same path, right over the mice's homes. The ground shook with every step. Soon, many mouse holes were crushed, and the tiny creatures became frightened. They realized they must do something before it was too late. One brave little mouse stepped forward. Gathering courage, he ran up to the leader elephant and spoke politely. "O mighty king of elephants, your steps are destroying our homes. Please choose another path." The elephant stopped and looked down in surprise. The Elephant King smiled kindly and said, "Forgive us, little friend. We did not know. From today, we will take a different path." The mice cheered with joy. Before leaving, the elephant laughed gently and said, "But what help can tiny mice give big elephants?" The mouse replied confidently, "One day, you may need us too." Days later, a hunter entered the forest. He set a strong rope trap to catch elephants. Soon, the Elephant King walked into the trap. Snap! The rope tightened around his leg. The elephant tried hard, but he could not free himself. The elephant cried out in pain. Hearing his call, the mice rushed to the spot. They remembered the elephant's kindness and shouted, "Do not worry. We are here." Without wasting time, the mice began gnawing the thick ropes with their sharp teeth. Soon, the rope snapped completely. The elephant was free again. He bowed his head respectfully and said, "Today I have learned a great lesson. Never judge anyone by their size." The mice smiled proudly, knowing friendship has no limits. And so, the forest remembered this lesson forever. No one is too small to help another. True strength comes from kindness and unity.